Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn a photo like this into this in less than a minute. I'm Marina and I'm the hands behind Draw with Marina. While my main content is usually focused on teaching you how to draw in Procreate, I occasionally venture off and share with you other stuff related to drawing or tech, and this is one of them. COLORINGBOOK.AI is an innovative platform that uses AI-powered design tools, where users can upload their own images or choose text-to-line to generate coloring pages. Whether for relaxation, therapy, creativity, or educational purposes, COLORINGBOOK.AI offers an endless supply of fresh designs, making it an excellent resource for artists, teachers, and hobbyists. You can even generate coloring books for selling. So if you do the math, and depending on which plan you subscribe to, monthly or yearly, you could easily create a coloring book for less than 2 to 7 cents per page. So let me show you how it all works. So here we are in the dashboard and we have 3 options to create your photo into a coloring page. So the first one is pretty simple. We just upload an image from our computer. So I have a couple of samples here. I downloaded this Marilyn Monroe image, and then you have your options over here. Obviously, if you want to have it private and remove watermark, or upscale, which is basically a better resolution. If you want to print, you're going to have to upgrade to the premium subscription. So I'm going to select preserve faces, which is better for photos with faces. And I'm going to remove the background. And then down here, you can batch do 4 versions maximum. So let's select that and we can generate. All right, so here we have our 4 generated images, and they are all slightly different. So let's just go through one of them. So out of all of these 4, I think I like this one better, maybe because the eyes are more defined. So let's just click on that, and you can compare with the original image, and then you can also slide to compare. So it does a pretty good job at rendering the photo into a coloring page. And then from here, you can download it as a PNG or download it as a PDF, and depending on what you want to do, if you want to print it, or you can import it into your iPad and draw in Procreate. And another option is if you want to color online, you can totally do so right here, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go back. So I'm going to do another one, which is just a unicorn that I generated in Midjourney. And again, I'm going to do 4 versions. So here are my 4 images. Let's just click on one of them. Slide to compare. And you can see it's pretty accurate. So now the next option is to convert your text into a coloring page. I'm just going to paste my prompt here. Draw a beautiful lake surrounded by trees. There's a little cabin off to the side. So for the difficulty level, you can either do it as a toddler coloring page, children, teenager, or adults. I'm going to pick an adult. And then also you can do the dimensions 2:3, 1:1, or 3:2 landscape. And again, you have your batch options here available. I'm going to do 4 again. And so here are my 4 renderings of Cabin in the Woods. And again, you can download and print it and color it. And if you're unhappy with it, or if you want more versions, you can hit remix. It's going to bring you back over to this prompt, and then you can just hit generate again. And the other way you could do it also is if you have a bunch of prompts or a bunch of images, you can upload them all here, and it will create a batch set of coloring pages. Let's try it out with the text to coloring page. I have a bunch of prompts here that I'm just going to paste. Draw a mandala, minimalist style, clean lines, and geometric patterns and intricate flowers. Draw a little boy and a dog playing in the backyard. Draw New York City Times Square in the rain. And this time I'm going to do 1:1 square in adults. All right, these mandalas are pretty cool. So here are my 6 versions. Here is New York City number 1, New York City number 2, and then the little boy and the dog, and then my 2 mandalas. And another really cool feature is that they have an online gallery, and you can literally browse 258 coloring pages that were all generated by other artistic and talented users. If you need something quick for your kids and they're bored or something, if it's a rainy day, you can totally just download one of these, print them out, or just import them into your iPad, and you can have a little time to yourself. Overall, this is an amazing app. It's great for kids. You can create their favorite characters. And another cool thing is that they have an iOS app with an Android version coming out soon. if you want to try this app for yourself, check it out. Link is in the description. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.